morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I'm with the club. How are you today, sir?
Merry Christmas.
And good morning, Steve. How are you?
Morning, good, good.
And Randy Bear 5000. Woo! Guys, you know where we're going to today?
Juarez, Mexico, to get some Chinese food.
We will not be going to Juarez, Mexico. Not today, anyway. Today, I'm going to leave it up to you guys. You guys get to choose what we're going to eat. If you could pick any genre of food to eat today, what would it be?
I say we whip out the chopsticks, go get some Asiano.
Chopsticks. All right. We haven't had Asian food in this channel. Like, it's very rare. It's very rare. I'm going to challenge myself to take you to a really good spot. I don't know where that's going to be yet, so let's just ride around and have a little bit of fun. Maybe we'll go visit Bob, and I'll think about a place to take you.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Oh, here we go.
Ooh, it's like bee season, too, so I was worried I was going to get stung.
It is bee season. We're like 5 seconds into the ride, and we already lost him. What are you doing? I can't even believe it. We're 30 seconds into this trip and we're already separated.
I thought you were going to go see Bob.
Oh, we're going to take the long way.
Oh.
What are you doing, man? This is why we don't do drugs, kids. While we're on our way to see Bob, I really got to think about a place to take these guys. It is lunchtime and we're all starving. Alright, I gotta find an Asian spot. These guys want Asian food, so now I just gotta come up with a destination that everybody's gonna be impressed with. Mojo rising, got the mojo rising, got the mojo rising. So while I'm on this stretch road, I'm gonna remind you guys, SCMM is coming up right around the corner. It's at the end of August. For more information, check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. Make sure you book your hotel room soon. Last year they sold out quick. Don't wait till the last minute to get your reservations in order, man. More details to come. We're working a lot closer with Chaparral. Chaparral is going to step it up even more this year. And we're going to turn the Chaparral parking lot into way more of a party atmosphere. And we figured out a way to make it much cooler for all of you guys. We're talking shade time. They're going to bring out their big tents, man. So we should all be under the shade this year, which is going to make it way better. I do want to remind everybody that SCMM is for the vloggers, the California vloggers at that. If you're a California vlogger and you have merchandise you want to set up a 10x10 or whatever and sling t-shirts and keychains and stickers, you're more than welcome to do that. Do me a favor, send me an email, suburbandelinquent@gmail.com. Just let me know how much space you need and what you plan on selling. We'll get you all sorted out. Cool? Cool. Back to today's adventure. Man, the weather's getting nicer, and it's getting nicer for everybody. So let's be on our toes. Watch out for nonsense. I know in my area there's been a lot of deaths lately. Well, that being said, man, my condolences to the Red Line Ravens. They lost one of theirs. Let's all be careful, man. Let that be a reminder. Still trying to decide a place to take these guys. I'm leaning towards Mongolian BBQ, right? Doesn't that sound good right now? Of course it does. It always sounds good. Or maybe Boston Market. Well, that's not Asian. I'm not having a lot of fun today, guys. I don't know. Kind of in a funk. A lot of you guys are pretty intuitive, so you probably figured that out. You guys can tell by the tone of my voice when I'm having a shitty day. It's kind of amazing. Thanks, sir.
Is today going to be the day where Bobino puts out? Or?
Let's see, man.
If you don't have something amazing for me, I'm going to put this up your nose.
Alright, you should have something cool.
All right, Bob, where are we at today? There's stuff. Adult transit pass?
We should take it somewhere and eat some Taco Bell.
That's it. Bob doesn't have much.
Bob, come on, man.
Everybody's telling me to get these lime drinks, dude. Should we try it?
Try it.
I think I'm going to try it. What'd you get? Bacon? You're not going to get that. Chocolate bacon beer?
Should have.
Chocolate covered maple smoked bacon soda.
You know me.
Oh my God. I feel bad for you. How popular is this item?
I haven't sold a lot of them, but this one is just pretty terrible.
I'm running free, yeah. Hey, I got a sticker for your helmet. Cheers, sirs. Cheers, sirs.
Cheers.
It's good.
Alright, man, I've really been trying to finish this bacon soda, and
I can't believe you keep buying that.
it's pretty good.
And you keep wasting it.
I'm going to need some help. We're going to finish it as a team. We're going to do it for state 2.0. Oh. Bacon man.
So I think I found a place to take these guys. A couple years back, there was a guy that came out from Australia, and I took him to this Mongolian barbecue place. I love Mongolian barbecue, but I never go. So I think that's where we're going to take these guys today. We're going to have Mongolian barbecue. And for those of you guys that don't know what Mongolian barbecue is, it's a bunch of meats and vegetables cooked on this huge wok or flat grill or whatever it is. It's like this round thing. And they have all these sticks and they do this thing and they feed it to you in a bowl, and the shit is magical. And it's usually all you can eat, right? All you can eat? Of course. Of course we're going to Taco Bell. He needs his hot sauce. I don't know why he should just carry that shit in his pocket with him everywhere. You know what, guys? Kleb's got a P.O. box. Let's mess with him. Go to Taco Bell, grab as much hot sauce as possible, and mail it to the Kleb's P.O. box. And just keep doing it. Never stop.
Here, this one's for you and your viewers.
Yeah, well, my viewers have something for you, don't we?
Thank you.
Sorry about that. Would you like this?
Oh, sure.
Guys, I figured it out. You know where we're going?
No. Where are we going?
Mongolian barbecue.
Is that at Legoland?
Right? No, it's not at Legoland. He's on drugs, man. Get out of my way, Prius. Whoa. Misshifted. I remember this spot. This is where we found that cheese whiz and I tricked Kleb into eating it. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Ooh, some white line racing. Oh, y'all, come on. Let's go. And just to set the record straight, I'm on a GSXR 750 and these guys are all on leader bikes. Here we go. I just can't be stopped. All right, number 3. I got him again, but I kind of went into the other guy's lane. I guess I can disqualify myself for that one. Still up, 2 out of 3. Not too bad. I'm really lucky to have such good friends to ride around with, man. It's an important part of motorcycling to me. It's a social experience. Seriously, there's nothing better than waking up in the morning knowing your buddies are going to show up. You guys can go ride around for a couple hours and eat some food. Does it get better than that? No. Maybe. I was watching a sign twirler. Wasn't paying attention. I didn't even know they wanted to race. Whoops. Before we get there, I want to give a big shout out to all you guys that support this channel through Patreon, man. You guys are the best. This place is coming up. It is coming up. I'm going in the bike lane because I'm a bike. Yeah, I'm on the sidewalk. Sorry.
Didn't get lost.
Well, we kind of did, but I'll never admit that.
Well, we could have gone to Taco Bell.
We did go to Taco Bell, and all you chose was hot sauce.
One hot sauce. For you?
One hot sauce. All right. I'm going on lunch soon, so.
right, man. Mongolian BBQ, what'd you think? Good selection?
Well, I'm kind of upset we didn't go down to Juarez, but you know what? This was the next best thing. It was great. 9.28 out of 10.
Next time, we'll consider going to Juarez.
Sounds good.
I don't know, man. This place is pretty cool. What'd we get? We just got a whole bunch of whatever. You see how it is. There's not really much to talk about. You just put what you like in a bowl and they cook it up and give it to you and you eat it. Simple as that. In and out, fast. You've never had it before.
Never.
What do you think? You come back?
I'll be back in 25 seconds.
All right. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Part of that notification squad. Get over to Kleb's channel, see what he's up to. He's always up to some goofy stuff. Links in the description of the video. Make sure you support the channel sponsors. Check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. Always add new stuff there. Get that latest and greatest. You also find out how to get this Suburban Delinquent exhaust pipe. Big special thank you to all the patrons of the channel. You guys make it all worth it, man. Really appreciate it. All right, later.